El ejercicio de la vida y algunos combates de desenlace irresoluble, pero de motivos válidos, me han enseñado a contemplar a la persona humana según el ángulo celeste cuyo azul de tormenta le es más favorable. I painted Azul de Tormenta, Storm Blue, during the months of confinement. It is an homage to my favorite poet. The faces with their heroic and monumental scale are not portrait. There is not a real person behind those faces. The search of this image are questions over the human nature, the honest gaze, the tense calm before the tempest, the contained patience. I look for a timeless beauty in this painting. I memorize some faces, but the memorize is like a pattern, like not is concrete, is an abstract of, but I need to see the different faces, different portraits. But I never represented a personal portrait. The colors of the series hide a secret and accompany music and sounds of the Mediterranean, the same Mediterranean that I can see from my studio.